Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Birmingham City Centre, your hands.
Smooth.
Just 10 minutes of that. You take the technical part off and then you just back. What is this? This is dangerous.
See that controlled run-up? Because then you can build the propulsion into it. Because right now I think you're looking for more propulsion than control. You know what I mean by propulsion?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, like acceleration and like, you know what I mean? Generate energy without having the wheels putting it down in it. Left, Parth.
Oh, I keep forgetting that your bands now. There's no England stuff in there. I just picked up full bag up.
Bowling! Well bowled! Not sure if we got anybody out though. I think he's got away with it, innit? Well bowled. Oh, KP! Was it just too good for everything? Yeah, well, we'll take that because you can take wickets. You can't take to every game, but you can take that feeling how to do it.
Yeah.
Play, move. 2 minutes. Yeah, open the base and up as well, not to push it. It's brilliant. Yeah.
Sorry about the delay there, Nas. With wax.
That's got to hang out with his teammates.
Yeah, I know. This is what I love. Like his adaptability, second to none. Huh? No.
Bowling and played. Addy, that's wonderful. You got the ball swinging now, but I don't want you thinking about that. I want you just thinking smoothness, I think, at the moment, because you're smooth right now, yeah? Oh, well bowled, George. Parth, remember to stay straight. Remember, you must have watched your video back, and that's what was the defining thing about it.
That, if it wasn't that, it would be something else.
Bowled and played, waited. Good cricket. Now, do you want to just bowl as a... How many are you there? 3 or a 4? I'll jump in.
3.
3?
Yeah.
For rhythm? So right, next one, Eddie.
Hold your position, I want your elbow strong, demonstrate.
So right, I think you've put together about 4 or 5 good ones there. I think that's...
Oh, George, my body was wet.
Well, at least you know, isn't it? Because you can feel that, isn't it?
Okay. That's good.
Bowled and played. Good cricket there, boys. Keep it there, boys. Shot. Pretty good shot, that, isn't it? Nothing wrong with that delivery. You're getting tested, that's all. Trying to throw you off rhythm. Well bowled, George. Well bowled. We need to set a field to our kids soon. George, you're going to have to figure out a setting for me, otherwise I'll set one for you. I think at the moment we'll still do ring field. Shot. KP, really well bowled, you know, as well there, mate. Because at this level, it's even just him playing a little bit early, which you did. We'll take that, yeah? Addy, excellent!
One will go in the sky in a bit.
Addy, brilliant, mate, yeah? Oh, hello. How are you?
Good,
Alright, thank you.
Look at the shape, what's the master.
George, what was that? Was it anywhere near the line?
Probably was wide. Yeah, I got a...
He's got a wicket, ain't he?
I'd give myself a wide.
Yeah, put your wide on and then put a wicket on for KP and an out for Parth.
Why? I'll show you.
Yes, sir.
The ball number 80?
No. That was a Tuesday thing, wasn't it, though, isn't it? We had a spreadsheet at the end of it. I've got to get Chris to send it to me. See the results from last year.
Yeah, there you go. Do you see this? What happens is this as a ball. This
Well there.
Good pass.
Well there. Really well there.
You see that now? Let the top hand
Good
go.
that you're not
Top hand go.
chasing like that. You're not a gambler.
Yes.
Next one, George, you've got to stay upright. Almost your body's going across.
Yeah, wait, go back. Do you see that? Do it again and stop that then.
Lads, Are we trying to outdo each other in the wides? Is there a prize that I don't know of?
Stop halfway. Oh, okay. Now, do you see this now? This is breaking away. Hold this harder.
Is it like a bad boy in it?
Hold it harder. This is going.
Bold and played. Addy, that's great, because the way you shape it in.
Now, do you see this?
You shouldn't worry about it, whether the batsman looks like they've timed it. That's why we set a field. Huh? No, but that's fine. And then you slowly build it, because at the moment, as a kid, you're going straight for it. That's why, like, kids when they first get their license, it's a dangerous time. It's a bit like yourself now. You've got to, like, learn to manage that energy. Bowled, that's good, mate. Well bowled.
Don't tilt your head. Wait for feeding. You gotta keep it. You come on. You're not gonna nail it straight away.
Because if you look, you would have had to hold the bowl up whole another extra over. Think of it. But there's so many reasons of why we're gonna have that. You know what I mean? Because you think you could shot, pick that line early, stayed in the shot, bit of rooty there, like that. Nothing wrong with that, KP. As a spinner, you want him playing that shot. Oh, bold, Addy. Addy, just off a short run up and a slow run up, you seem to get more energy out of the ball. And it just shows. I don't think you need the run up just yet. I think you need to look at your bowling. You know, like next one. You know, like your bowling mechanics, because they are mechanics, and it will the way you move. George, I'm putting another one on for you there. Was it just George? Did I miss something else? You just bowl wide then. Okay. I'm just checking. No, I'm not even bowling. Who's going? I'll come in now. Give you guys a bit of a rest for a couple of minutes, and then we'll go again. I'll come out. Oh, well bowled. Well bowled. Oh, mate. See how you just chip away. Marginal gains. Yeah? Oh, well bowled, George. You got yourself a wicket there, buddy.
Hey, George. It's a lucky Parth. Who's that boy?
He does this one there. So you're just making sure you get that top hand. It doesn't matter. You could be here. Look, I could be here.
3 1.
Look, I could be here.
You've got 2 minutes on you, Georgie.
I get this back in.
Yep.
Look.
Jesus.
To get the feeling of push back. Push back, hit with the right hand. Now we can move the left hand.
Balls.
I bet you they were all caught.
You see that? Now keep your
The
head
way
forward.
dips and
Yeah. Keep it there, keep it there, keep it there, keep it there. Yeah. Okay, now no, stay.
Oh, this guy. Normally his commentators curse. This is the opposite. He's on a hat trick. Holy crap. Sharp. Good touch there.
When you're pushing it back, yeah, you're with this like breaking away, and then this is pushing forward. See that? This should be high.
Oh, that short, you know the slower run up. I shouldn't even say it's a short run up. I'm going to be more descriptive, but you just haven't legged it in. You've just looked for the strength in your body to bowl that ball. Because only then you can start adding more energy to it. Do you know what I mean? I have an idea. We could get him drawing a 5k knackery. We can't push him fast. And then he'll figure out how to bowl. Blood smooth. Do you know what I mean? Oh, ball, tight lines. This is you, man. Control. Control, mate.
It's too much info. Just get into that hip, get into this position, and I want your body to get used to
Obviously. Is that a no ball, Georgie?
Do you want to demonstrate to you how to look?
Just, we got away with it. We've got a dipped from behind me here.
I would give myself a half no.
I think we've got to be harsh. Go on, George. Put it on. Oh, well bowled. We need a field set for that, because that's twice now, Parth. Yeah, come on, buddy.
We don't have a no ball call.
You just got to slow it down.
Oh, then just
Slow it down.
fine. We'll let it. We'll let it. Shot. Good, mate. You've slowed it down there, Addy. Excellent.
Very good now.
Excellent, Addy. You're running here next week. You're running here.
Brilliant. Brilliant. I'm going to record a couple of
That's beautiful, mate. Yeah. Set the back. Do the work.
You know, it's like that.
No rush. You got 15.
This is a big back.
There shouldn't be any rush.
Top level now. The side
Who's going? Oh, sorry, Georgie. Give me a shout next time.
No way. And don't be too harsh on yourself.
Oh, lads. We have to have... Parth. What do you reckon? Got away with it or not? I don't know.
Mid on, I'm catching that.
Yeah, see, KP's put his name on it. See, I'm putting my name on it, I know. Shot! George, step back. Oh, you just got a fight for George. George got a fight for me.
Brilliant. You see that? You see that is proper power. Look, the line is came. It's gone back on that line. Now,
Oh, that's touched his body,
a
innit?
bit slower.
So it's alright.
Let your body, Nas, let your body understand it.
I like the fact that you've got so many gears in you, because that was sharp, mate. Really sharp. But if you find you lose a line, I want you to come straight back down. Yeah, take the foot off the accelerator, get your line, because you've got to realise how important line length is, isn't it? Because if it comes at pace and it's in a shit area, somebody's gonna send it to the
Very short that is.
super pace, isn't it? So it's not about how quick. What happened then?
Could have been called Bob, no, there's no way.
We need to have a field set to him. You've got to have your field set to him, because it can't be everything for everyone.
Oh, yeah.
So what was that wide to?
Hit it later. Hit it later.
Oh, Addy, you might have to give me a wicket here of yours. Bold! Bold! We're just trying to get in your head. Okay, so you have to just clear your mind. Because part of that is pressure.
George,
You have to learn to deal with pressure as well, isn't it? Oh, well bowled and played. Lovely cricket.
You see that? Now, what you've done last year.
Addy, last ball and you got to paddle.
Ow. See how you just kept it tight? And think about this is your power. No, you got to picture this out. That's
Back here, Addy.
Now, if you go up in here, how is it going to go from here? That here. That's beautiful.
I like the fact that we're policing ourselves. I went into a lull. I didn't even see it. I was trying to figure out. You're going to have to bowl that one again and pad up even quicker. You're going to go next. Oh, that's good connection, but you've got to be careful with that now. Nice and relaxed. Just think visualization again. Like when NASA's telling you.
You see your body here now, yeah? Remember. Now,
Bold.
right in your stand,
Okay, get your pads on rapid, buddy. You've got about 2.5 minutes.
see, bigger.
Make sure your box is in an helmet. Those are the main ones. Weighted, Parth. Weighted, because you didn't overhit it. Because it's important, man, that you build your form in the net, isn't it?
And then stop falling into it. Because then your eyeliner will be smooth. Justin Langer over here, look at him. Hey, Ash, look at him, Justin Langer.
Where's Justin Langer?
Yeah, look. Okay, now that's good, you rush. Get in, you know,
Justin Langer, in that documentary, brilliant.
Show that look.
I don't know, man, his zen is just awesome. It's like a Buddha.
This is what timing in it. When you want to do that.
Bold!
Don't overthink that, lad.
Excellent, KP. Weighted, Parth. Good, mate, yeah?
Look, do this with your eyes closed here. You should be able to do that. Hands up, that's it. Now, get there early, then turn. Spend time on the turn. Spend time on the turn. There you go. So that, you know that step now.
Oh!
Automatic. Now, then all it is
That
turning the
swung
body.
and then seamed.
That's how you got to look
That
at
was good, man. Sorry, I get too excited, but that was great. Swing and seam, Georgie.
it. Brilliant. Come, let's have a
Simon
look.
Jones, have you watched
Come, let's
him?
have a look.
You really need to type his name in the internet, you know.
That white kid.
Yeah.
I love this policing. This is great, lads. Come on, boys.
Look at this now.
Why?
Remember I said that first movement should be done. Look. You do it a bit late and then you rush. As you got in,
It's simple now, man. Finish
as you
it.
got in,
Yeah, come on. I think that's all it is. It happens to me too. Because sometimes, you know, we're buzzing off the last session. We're right there, simplify to get back into that zone.
Do you look at your finish
Shot. Good simple touch.
So do you know your balance there? And he's not gone off, he's gone right through that board. So again, look.
Back onto Off Stump FM, because that should be your mantra. No other station, mate.
You know that's it there. Just there. You get it early. You know
Okay.
so
Is that what?
You see like,
Pick it up.
basically, look, you do it, yeah? And you just
You know what, that's all right.
You gotta do it and hold that power.
He's not holding it here.
You see that? So that dip, it's good you're doing it. But it doesn't know the 1%. So load it, hold it, and then explode into it. Come on.
Next one, George.
So now we get the gritty. Where are you looking at that? Look the
George, just stuck that one on.
You see that?
Yeah.
Bowled and weighted. Okay, last 2. You bowl the last one, KP.
Yes.
Bowl, George.
Oh, George.
Can you see that? You see that image? Okay, that is an image of this. There. Now you're sorted.
It's well bowled, KP.
Do you see there?
The amount of times he's put you in the air, like, I'm going to give you a wicket for that one. Because I think by now we would have put some, or is it too straight?
That one.
I think, you don't think that was?
Yes.
No. As in, I don't know how.
We'll let him off then.
Just whatever feels
You
comfortable.
better off.
You know what I mean?
Board pressure, the board pressure part.
Just and then you go into